Hello, and welcome to another episode of In Just 1 Minute or So. Today, we're going to talk about choosing the right project management methodology. And the right project management methodology can elevate your project and help the project manager to get the best out of each team. Whether you prefer the agile methods favored by the IT project management or the more traditional waterfall project management and critical path methodology used in construction and manufacturing, there's a project management methodology for every team. But no matter which methodology you go for, you need a collaborative, flexible, and easy-to-use project management tool to support you every step of the way. So choosing a team management software that supports multiple methodologies, that doesn't lock you into one methodology or way of using it, like for instance teamwork or anything out there, means that every team in your organization has the freedom to work the way that works for them without sacrificing on features and complexity. Let's look at now some questions that you may have for yourself. For instance, what project management methodology allows some of the phases and tasks to overlap? So the methodology that allows for some overlap, some of the phases and tasks to overlap is known as Agile or Agile Project Management. And it's a flexible and iterative approach to project management that tends to be divided into sprints. And these are time-boxed periods of work. Within each sprint, the cross-functional teams work on various tasks and features, allowing for a degree of overlapping between the different project phases. Another question that you may have is, what methodology requires the team to complete the previous phase before the next phase starts? Well, this is more like a waterfall methodology because waterfall is a traditional, linear, and also sequential approach to project management. And in a waterfall project, each phase must be completed in its entirety before the next phase can begin. Now, why do project managers use project management methodologies? Well, first of all, because we need to bring a structure and organization to the project, ensuring its consistency, the risk management, the resource allocation, and quality assurance. And these methodologies promote effective communication, change management, and scope control, leading to an increased efficiency, client and stakeholder satisfaction, and not to forget the overall project success. They also foster a culture of continuous improvement and adaptability, so allowing project managers to navigate changing requirements and uncertainties effectively. And finally, you may be asking yourself, what is the difference between Agile and Scrum? Well, Agile is a broader project management philosophy that emphasizes the flexibility, the collaboration, and customer feedback, while Scrum is a specific Agile framework. Scrum introduces roles like Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Development Team. And then you also have these fixed time sprints and defined ceremonies, which include the sprint planning, the daily stand-up, the sprint review, and the sprint retrospective to guide the project team. So it also includes key artifacts like the product backlog, the sprint backlog, and increment. All right, and that's all for today. Thank you for joining us, and see you in the next episode. Thank you.